Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm driving the 2021 Nissan Altima SR VC Turbo. This is the fastest 2021 Nissan Altima trim level. This car has a 236 horsepower 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. It's paired with a CVT transmission, and this one's front wheel drive. Let me take you outside for the walk around, guys. – 19-inch aluminum finish alloy wheels. Daytime running lights. I love the V shape it has right here. Very nice. SR badge, nice VC turbo badge. I love the dual exhaust tips. Very nice. Very large trunk. Spare tire. And right here we have our emergency road kit. Fold the seats over here. No AC here, but it does have two USB ports, a regular USB and a Type-C USB connector. But there's a lot of space back here, guys. Definitely feels spacious. Very large space. Definitely could fit 3 full-size adults here. And here we go, we have a 2.0 liter VC turbo engine. Let's test out the horn test. Okay, here we have the dashboard. We got the variable compression turbo system. Trip, tire pressure, fuel economy, speedometer, which I really love. Settings, got our forward collision system warning, blind spot, lane keep assist, Bluetooth audio, and that's about it. Here we go. In the steering wheel we got our Bluetooth we got our dashboard controls, our sound, and here's the cruise control. Center console. No USB ports here, but we do have some USB ports here. USB Type-C, another USB port, auxiliary port, and a 12 volt port. sliding visors. Everything in this car feels so accessible, like the buttons, the AC controls. You know, here we got the AC. Very basic. Our infotainment system. It's kind of laggy, guys. It's not really responsive, but it's okay. Let's try out the backup camera. Oh, the backup camera, I like that it has the trajectory lines, but it's kind of low res. Alright, so let's go take this on a drive. Here's our Seatbelt warning. Oh yeah, right here on this shift knob underneath, there's a little button here, which is to put it on sport mode. So let's put it on sport mode right now. And you see a little S on the D sign. Wow guys, this really pulls. We got some paddle shifters here to simulate the gears. You know, CVT transmissions don't have real gears, but they're not that bad. They're pretty responsive. So we're gonna test it on sport right now and see how the performance is. Fairly quick. Let's test out the 0 to 60 acceleration here. Should be pretty quick. Very quick, guys. Let's see our lane keeping assist. Yeah, the steering wheel trembles when you hit another lane, and the steering vibrates. Let's merge into the highway and let's test the acceleration one more. Yeah, it goes. It really goes. Very fast, guys. We got our blind spot monitor sensors right here. And let's test the audio system. The sound system is amazing. Very, very rich bass. Very nice. I love it. Definitely recommend this car for the sound system. So overall, guys, this car is really comfortable. It's really spacious. Very quiet as well when you're driving it at, you know, conservative. I could barely hear any road noise, which is very, very nice. Usually these cars with 19-inch wheels tend to have a lot of road noise, but this one does it pretty well. I could barely hear any road noise or tires. So I'm gonna wrap the video here, guys. Let me do a reverse parking for you. Sensors. Okay guys, thanks for watching.